little heart, searching for a song. The cracks in the pavement, the heat in the air, a heavy kind of silence hanging everywhere. Then a scent on the wind, a change in the light, a rumble of thunder in the middle of the night. The first heavy drop hits the window with a thud, turning the sorrow into